Hey guys, if you're looking to understand how a waist trainer works and how it feels like to wear it for 30 hours straight in 3 days, stick to this video. Please hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this before or if you're looking forward to trying it. And at the end of the video, I want you to tell me if you've actually experienced the same thing I experienced and if I should actually continue on the journey. Thank you very much. Hey guys, so it's been 14 hours plus 8 hours plus 8 hours. That makes it 30. Wait, is that 30 hours? I didn't prep for this video. I just made it because I felt like one of you out there is actually going to need it. So I've been wearing this for the past 30 hours, slept in it, I woke with it, sweat under it, done every friggin' thing about it or with it. And it all started from the idea of writing. I'm wearing a waist trainer. I've used it to do my house chores. It's pretty flexible, so the first time I got it, I was scared that I wouldn't be able to make use of it. That was going to hinder me from bending down and picking stuff, But funny enough, the Shaper X, which I'm not doing an ad for, is a waist trainer that actually, it does it right. So I got this waist trainer from Amazon. I'm going to attach it to my Amazon market, and bear in mind that buying stuff from my Amazon link does not mean the price is going to be inflated for you. It just means that maybe a little bit of change comes to my account as affiliate marketing stuff. So there's that, me being honest and true with you. Then yes, so I've been wearing this waist trainer for the past 30 hours. 14 plus 16 is equals to 30. So in this video, we're going to be checking out if my waist has actually been changed, because the whole idea of wearing this was actually to get this indented waist thingy. I really want an indented waist. You know what I'm saying? I already have like a tiny waist. My waist is about 26. No, my waist is not 26. My waist range is between 26.5 to 27.5 depending on how full I am. So in my course of wearing this waist trainer, I noticed a lot of things that will actually help you if you really want to, inch down your waist, not burn your belly fat. So it actually made me sweat like both nights I wore it to sleep. So first things first, let me give you a brief description of what you're going to experience when wearing a waist trainer, and let's see. Wait for the results. Like I said, this wasn't a planned video, it was an impromptu video because I just want to take this stuff off, and I'm like, you know what, let me make a video about it and conclude what I actually created for my bookish channel and share it with you guys. So first thing I noticed, okay, the first time I actually got the waist trainer, this is the Shaper X waist trainer, for the before and after effect and all that. The first time I got it, I was scared, like I said initially, of putting it on and moving about and doing my normal chores. But then I got over that fear when I decided to make that video for my writing and getting the juices flowing and doing two things at once. So I started wearing it, and I noticed it made me sit down up straight, like even right now, this is how I'm sitting. Like normally I'm like relaxed, or I place my pillows behind me, but with the waist trainer I didn't need to use pillows. So I just I sit this way. Let's see if I can sit like a lady. How are you? So yes, I noticed that I sat properly and I could type. It was very comfortable and relaxing. And what I also noticed was that I couldn't eat. This is number 2, wearing a waist trainer. I couldn't eat as much as I would normally eat. So I think it kind of shrinks your tummy and makes you eat in bits. So when wearing a waist trainer, be ready to have snacks. You're going to be a picky eater. You would not feel really hungry, which is one of the side effects of wearing a waist trainer. They say it's actually, you might actually lose your breath and all that, but I didn't lose my breath because I guess some people actually tie it too tight. I tied it until I was like, okay, this is enough, and not like until I'm like, and I can't move. So that's why it's pretty comfortable for me. I think I can even exercise in this, even though it has like bones and steel and all that nonsense inside it. So it's pretty cheap. It's a pretty cheap waist trainer. So yes, I couldn't eat much. It was compressing my tummy and all that. Then another thing I noticed was that, like I said earlier on, I could move freely in it. I could do stuffs. I could actually even exercise in it more. I wasn't doing it for the exercise. I was just doing it to change my waist, not burn belly fat. And then I slept in it. When I slept in it, I woke up like from here down to my waist sweaty. It made me sweat at night. So maybe it probably burns fat. I don't know. But yeah, those were the 3 things I mainly noticed about it. It was not, yeah, and I also noticed kind of like itching because I've worn it for 14 hours plus straight now, and that's actually a lot of time to have a garment gluing and sticking to your body. Some people actually tell you to wait for 24 hours. That is, with this experience I'm having right now, because that's the reason why I want to take it off, it is gonna be worse than that. Except maybe it's a padded one or those foam one they use for exercising, or tummy burner, whatever they call them. Wearing a waist trainer to sleep, wake up, eat, do everything you want to do just to make your waist more snatched and changed. It's gonna itch, and I hope I don't have any irritation. But yeah, I also noticed that when I took the waist trainer off the other time, the waist trainer left lines on my body, so it made my body look kind of funny. And yes, it was always pressing my stomach downward. So I'm also going to show you how I put this on as well too in this video, how to put on a waist trainer, how to ensure that you are not, because the first time I got this waist trainer, when I wore it, I was actually wearing it up to here, so my breasts were like up here, and I was thinking the waist trainer has to be all the way up. So it's a waist trainer, not a body trainer or for like whatever, but it's just a waist trainer, so it's supposed to be left to be on the waist. Like I wish like my body would come out like this, but let's see. Now it's time for the unveiling. So I'm going to do a backward and reverse how to wear this. Let's see if that works. Finally got the tape rule. So this is my trusty tape rule in inches and centimeters. Yos. So now this is how I'm taking it off. It's pretty long, the shape at X. Let's do the tailor stuff. So here we go. I feel like a princess. I wish, where are my handmaids? Help me out here. Oh, okay, I'm serious. So this is how I take it out. Look at that. Way up. Yeah, shake it up. And if you want to put it on, you just put it on and pull it all the way up. Well, now taking it down. So if you've noticed, I didn't button this too because I'm always having issues trying to get them to cooperate. So I just button the first and the last one, which works for me. So here we go. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. That contraption is gone. Say yes, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hallelujah. Yes, and then I noticed that my body feels more like I can do shit. I can move my body, and I feel like it's like, though I already have like tummy like that, but it makes me feel like that. Do my tummy lines and have all that going for me. So yeah, I guess I need to do some exercises to burn a little bit of fat. Now for the side up. Oh my freaking God. You really have my waist at this number. This is, yes, I got it right, even though I'm not a tailor. This, guys, is a friggin' 26.5 from my usual number. So normally, like I said earlier on, I range between like 26.5 to 27.5, but in reality it's always like 27 and all that, or even 28 when I get to have a full tummy. But this morning I'm here to eat. That actually, like I said, has made, oh shit, I eat, God have mercy. As you can see the line all over my body, right? It's something if you really want to go through, you should go through it. Am I having irritation somewhere? Oh no, what's this? Okay, just the line, but my skin feels dry. I think I'll just take a bath and wash it. Jeez, I thought my body itches. So yes, I'll say my waist has gone down by almost an inch. So if I'd actually worn it for 1 week straight, I would have gotten the results I wanted. I don't think I can continue on that journey. I'm just going to use this illusion because I think I can actually see the handiwork it has shaping my body. I could feel my bones like moving and shifting and changing places. Good, I need to go and take my bath and wash off this itchy feeling. Though it's actually nice, like I like it's like it's building this illusion around my body, because I noticed this line here, which means like if I exercise alongside, could actually form like a six-pack thingy. So don't be deceived, I already have like deformations for like six-pack. It's just going to enhance it. So here we go. So this is the results. Oh, no filters, no editing, no sucking belly. Well, imagine I sucked my belly. So in essence, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also share with a friend. Let me know what you think. When I keep flexing with my tummy, I'll think about maybe continuing this process and completely making my waist disappear. I don't mind having something like this. I guess I'll probably continue. What do you think? But with that, I'll have to exercise as well too, which I don't want to do. I don't want to exercise. I'm so lazy. I probably will work on my diet, then wear the waist trainer more. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great week. Bye.